Hello, bachcho, let's read the question. So the question here is, when 16.8 grams of white solid X was heated and 4.4 grams of acid gas A turned lime water milky was driven off together with 1.8 gram of gas B, which following condenses to a colorless liquid. The solid that remained Y dissolves in the water to give a alkaline solution. With excess of barium chloride solution gave the white precipitate Z. The precipitate effervesced with the acid giving carbon dioxide. Now, identify the A, B and Y and write the equation for the thermal decomposition of the X. Okay. So, now let's see. Here, the given fact is X gives us A, B and Y. Okay. So, what is given that Y reacts with water in the alkaline solution and we get barium chloride, and this barium chloride further gave white precipitant when reacted with Z. Okay, so what we can say that since Z on reaction evolves, carbon dioxide gases evolved. Okay, so we can say that here it must be barium chloride, carbon dioxide is evolved, so it must be barium carbonate, that is BaCO3. Okay, so as BaCO3 is obtained from BaCl2, so with the alkaline solution, so Y must be the carbonate. Okay, and gas A, this must be carbon dioxide. Why? Because it turns the lime water milky. Okay, due to the presence of calcium carbonate. So let's see the reaction. So we can say that 2MHCO3 gives us carbon dioxide plus H2O plus M2CO3. Okay, so when we calculate the given data, the molar mass will be 2M plus 61G of MHCO3 gives us 44 grams of carbon dioxide. Okay, so we can say that 2M plus 61 upon 44 grams of carbon dioxide into 4.4 grams of CO2 will give us 16.8 grams of MHCO3. Okay, so M will be equal to 23 grams per mole. So we can say that here A is carbon dioxide, B is H2O, that is water, and X is Na2CO3. Okay, so we got the values of all this. Okay, so we can say that option this A is CO2, X is Na2CO3 and B is the water. Okay, so here the final reaction will be okay, we can change the pen. Final reaction can be Na2CO3 gives us CO2 plus H2O plus NaHCO3. Okay, so this is the complete answer. I hope the concept is clear.